Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Google Support Live Chat, how you can access Google Support Live Chat on Chrome. All you have to do now, you can open this Google Support. Just type this keyword on your Chrome, and this is the Google Help. So here you can access Google Support, so you can describe your issues here. So maybe you have a issues with a Google Chrome itself or Google accounts, and for example from a Gmail you can click. So this is, you can browse help topics, like this is the popular articles, or you can just describe your issues manually here. So if you need more help, you can try this next step. You can post to help community, so you can get answer from community member. So this is community guide, so you can access this, fix sign in issues with Gmail for example, or bulk deleting in Gmail, and you can choose the categories to view the specific posts or specific issues, or you can get help from video. You can view all video. Maybe there is same issues that you can watch to fix your issues. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.